Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I ship precious metals and coins. The reason why I'm showing you this is so that we can protect our metals and coins from damage while being shipped. So, without further ado, let's get started. First thing I'd recommend is picking up some of these gloves. These are to protect the metals and coins. Okay, I'm just going to move the camera down here. So we have our gloves on, right? First step. Step number 2 is find the coin that we need to ship or precious metal. Today I have a 1 ounce silver round. So it's coin shaped. This will work either or. Okay. I'll give you a look at it. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try not to drop it. So the first thing I like to do is to put it into one of these bags. Pretty hard to open up your gloves on. You really don't probably need these gloves when you're dealing with one that's already in a capsule, but it's just good practice to use. So that's the first step. I put it in one of these bags. You get these at probably any dollar store. Now it's in the bag, we actually don't need the gloves. Now, what we do is we take it, we put it in a piece of cardboard. And we get a tape gun and tape off. Gotta try and do this backwards. I've never done it on camera before, so bear with me here. Tape it down like that. Don't worry about tape. It's expensive, but this coin or piece of metal is worth more to the intended recipient. Alright, so now that we've taped it down, see, it's not going anywhere. Now, close it up with more tape. I like to tape all 3 sides, as this side has a fold, so we don't have to tape that side. All right, and any piece of cardboard works for this. It's really there just for pretty much keeping scratches and stuff off of it. Okay, now, next step, let's get yourself a bubble mailer. Okay, they come in all different sizes. You don't need a very big one for coins. So, I think this one here is like a 4 by 6, 4 inches by 6 inches. So now we open it up, we place this inside, coin inside, Now, trick. Put a little piece of tape inside on top. It's on top of the cardboard. Place it in and then tape it down to the envelope. That way it'll keep it from rattling around while it's inside. Right? See, can't come out now. Now, these envelopes come with a sticky we put a little bit of tape over top of that. That's never good. Alright, so now we got that off. We take, try and do it from the side, might be easier to show you. Just fold it down like this. That. Okay. Now what do? That's right, you gotta put the address on it. Oh. Okay, and with the recipient's address, we also have to put our address for return to sender. Okay. Now, that's right. You think you're done, right? You just ship this off now. No. No. So, what's next is you're going to want to put a stamp on this thing. Right up there. Now you think we're done? No. Still not done. So this is what I'd like to do. I like to tape this envelope so that weather doesn't affect it, so that it makes it harder for the stuff inside to fall out. Right? It makes it harder for someone to rip it open and steal what's in it. You remember, there's sometimes we could be shipping stuff that's very valuable. Right? So I put tape all over it. All the way around it. Even the back. You know, the postal worker drops this in a puddle or in a snowbank, it'll be somewhat protected, at least more protected than if you didn't tape it, especially the address area, right? Because at least it'll still get to the buyer or the recipient or whoever you sold it to or given it to. Now it's taped all the way around. Right? So now if it falls in the snowbank or gets rained on, address won't wash off as easily. So at least it'll make it to its recipient. Right? Okay. I'll bring you back up. So yeah. With a few minutes of our time, we can ensure that our medals and coins will not be damaged and will make it to the recipient. Okay? Alright. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope I earned your subscription. I will be doing lots more videos on how-tos of everything. Okay? And I'll be doing experiments, demonstrations, parodic reviews. I'll be doing it all. So, if you enjoyed this video, or at least you learned something from it, or you can take something away, or if you can, you know, please subscribe. Okay, thanks. Thanks for watching.